Assalamualaikum. It's a Monday. SM City North EDSA Day. Labo ano. Okay, ay. Natuwa ako, pasensya talaga, excited ako. Kasi puro bago ang mga pelikula ngayon. Okay? Number one, 28 years later. Okay? Linawin ko lang po yung years. Kasi alam ko sa Netflix yung pelikula dati, napanood ko a few years back, 28 days later. Ito 28 years. Okay? Masyadong malayo ang gap, ano? That's my number one movie. SM City North EDSA po ito. At pangalawa, Elio. Okay, may pagka cartoons, animation. Hindi cartoons technically it's basta animation. At okay, so andito tayo para maging masaya. Once again, this is Rolly, the voice sa Kilabot. Thank you.